the elevator at Nordstrom, 12 Oaks Mall in Novi, Michigan. It's a KONE elevator. Here too. Let's get a cab view. Pretty much just like every other Nordstrom. 3,500 pound capacity. Here one. Oh.
Thank you.
Yep. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Alright, I got me one. It's a really nice elevator. I'm probably gonna take this for another round trip. What's the button go out? Here one. Two. Door closes works. Here we go. Here two. One. It's a really nice elevator for a Nordstrom. Runs pretty well. Watch the button go out. Here one. There it goes. And that'll be it.